Hello Virgo, welcome to my channel. So this is your weekly career business money reading from 28th December to 3rd January. Now this is your last weekly readings for this year, and we see up and meet up in the 2021. So have a great time. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas. Have a great New Year Eve. Celebrate with friends and family. So my best wishes for a happy and prosperous New Year, Virgo. So let's see, in this reading, you get to know what opportunities could present itself in this week and what challenges or obstacles you could face, if any, so that you can handle it better. This is based on your sun sign and moon sign, so could check the other video as well. So let's start, Virgo. I've shuffled these cards before, but still I would like to do it once. So Virgo's general energy, career, business, money from 28th to 3rd January. Virgo's general energy from 28th to 3rd. Virgo's general energy from 28th to 3rd. Okay. King of Swords, Page of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, Two of Wands, King of Wands, and Eight of Cups. So Virgo, with the King of Swords, you are very clear, you are very intelligent, you are very analytical, you are open to honest and truthful discussions, but no, you are not open to any sugar-coated nonsense stuff. That is what I see with the King of Swords here. Yes, so very clear and focused. You have planned your goals for 2021, you are already working on it, and yes, when you look back, you see that there were a lot of disappointments, there were a lot of despair, but you have pulled through. There has been an expansion in your, growth, in your overall situation at work, at family, home situation in 2022, and you are looking forward to take it further in 2021 here. Yes, I do see, an opportunity coming to you in this week also. It could be about a creative project, which is an opportunity that you need to, it's an initial energy. So you need to nurture and take care, nurture and work on it, and this will give you fruitful results. So this will resonate differently to all of you here, Virgos. Some of you are getting money here, Virgo. So it could be a business deal coming through, a sudden gain of money, or from stock market, or a blessing, or inheritance. But it is a card of monetary gain. It's a card of either resources. So an offer. Some of you could gain a promotion, a step up position in your office. Something monetary, sudden monetary gain coming here. So yes, it is a business deal. It can come from any source here. Now you have this Two of Wands. So looking into the future, planning for the future. Some of you are thinking of relocating to some other destination for work, for business, for job. Also, maybe you are just gathering information for expansion of your business here. That business, or trying to find out whether the place is resourceful or not. So gathering knowledge about a certain place. Yes, but some of you are planning to relocate on a certain, different, it could be a state move, interstate move, or, a country move, anything. Because this person has this world in his hand, so it could be moving anywhere. It could also be you checking out, destination for travel in the last week itself, so that you can go out on a holiday with friends and family. So it's a last minute, things that you are not here in action, but you will take action here. So maybe, in January you might plan a holiday, so you're looking at the options here. Queen of Wands, Queen of Wands. This is a new Virgo who is very bold, assertive, very good at negotiations, very good at skills, and with this energy, Virgo, you will be taking some risk this week, some very very calculated risk, which will get you benefits here. Maybe you will take some risk in stock market, that could be there, or you could take a risk in the business deals. You could just ask for a much better brokerage or much better deal and in negotiation, and you could see that it could work out in your favor. This is a card of also action, so it's not only about a card of thinking, You will take action and you will be successful. But with the Queen of Wands, you need to remember that, all do not take very, the risk should be very small and very well thought. Otherwise, you could end up into major losses. So, very calculated risk will show you a payoff, good payoff here. Also, it shows that you will be seen as a very people, you will gain a lot of praise and respect for the work that you're doing. You're very passionate, you're very fiery, you have that passion, that fire in you to, and you're a very ambitious, determined Virgo. And that's what I see with this card here this week. Towards, you have already planned your success, your life for 2021, and yes, you will start working on it immediately once the January comes. The working days of January starts here. But some of you are Virgo, this is an emotional situation. It could be in a job. It seems some of you will be leaving a job or a business situation or a business associate or partnership, or in your personal life you could be leaving a person or a situation which is not emotionally fulfilling for you anymore. So it will resonate differently to all of you Virgo here. So leaving a situation which is not emotionally fulfilling, this is what I see for some of you. Yeah, so action oriented week, Virgo, lot of work, travel. Yes, there is travel here. Travel will get you success. It will be hectic and an active period, work wise also, but it has its own rewards here. It has its own success here. So as I told you, there is a card of monetary gain. There is a creative project here. So monetary gain can come from any sources, because Ace of Pentacle, it is money coming to you. So it could be, again I just need to repeat, it could be a real estate deal, going through a sale of an apartment or a land, immovable property, say, somebody inheritance coming to you here, somebody just helping you out of money or resources if you have been waiting for, sudden success from stock market, that's what I get here. So yes, money can come from different sources to all of you here. So let me just pull out an angel guidance card, Virgo. Angel guidance card for Virgos. Unicorn, invite serendipity. Invite serendipity. So unicorn is, this is the animal which looks like a horse, but it is unique. In the sense it has a one horn, so always, it's more visible. I feel with this card, you need to make yourself more visible. You should be more heard more. You should be seen more. That's what I see message coming from this card here. You make yourself more visible. That will get you more success. Do not stay, at the back or, in the backdrop. That's what I would say here. Make yourself more visible, make yourself more heard, and it will be very successful. So have a great New Year Eve. Merry Christmas. Stay blessed. Wishing you a lot of happiness, abundance, prosperity. Thank you so much, and see you in the next year.